Hi everybody. As we all know that right now we are going through a very difficult phase. Everybody is scared of the COVID-19 disease. Our lifestyles have been completely changed. We are no more able to move out of our houses. We cannot eat outside food. We cannot go out for work. We can't meet our friends. And and naturally this is very different from our previous lifestyle, and for all of us it's actually very difficult to cope with the sudden change of the lifestyle, and that too this lifestyle, this routine is entirely different from our previous one. Like, we had a habit of going out, roaming here and there, eating outside food, but this is very different. But I just want to tell each one of you that staying at home or your room is not that difficult. You just need to find things that will keep you motivated. You just need to feel motivated from within. You should you should try your hobbies. You should go behind your hobbies. You should try things that you had planned before but you could not manage to do because of your tough schedule. You should try those things. You should try every day. You should keep on trying new things. Your hobbies, as like after you are free from your work, as you are in your home, you don't have to go anywhere. You can try your hobbies. You can complete things that you once wanted to do but you could not complete because of lack of time. So my hobby is to sing and to cook. So these days, after I'm done with my work, I'm singing, I'm cooking. As you all can see, every day I'm cooking new things, I'm posting photos, and yeah, I'm singing and making videos. Though I'm not a very good singer, but yeah, I'm making videos because I like singing, and I will be posting one by one all of my videos. So I just want you to tell that there is no need to panic or to get disheartened about this thing. You just, for saving yourself and your loved ones, you just need to stay inside your room or inside your house, and which is a very small thing in front of what our doctors and paramedical staff is doing. In front of that thing, this is very small, and it will be a very big support for each one of them, like whoever is standing in the front line to save us and our loved ones. So so just be motivated, get your inspiration from within, do new things, enjoy in your house, spend time with your family. This, you have got this time. Like, I don't know whether we'll get this time again or not, because again, when once everything will get started, we'll be busy in our daily schedule. So no need to be sad, and this is a phase. It will go on, life will be normal again, everything would be fine. So just support each other, be patient, don't panic, and yeah, keep doing things which keep you motivated, keep doing your hobbies, and stay safe, stay in your home.